Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be guiding you through the manual freehand tool that we've got built into our SpotMap software to allow for manual spot addition, splitting and merging. Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be guiding you through the final boss of manual spot editing, the freehand tool that we've built into our SpotMap software. Now, we've put a lot of hard work into creating automated spot detection algorithms and automated alignment algorithms to increase reproducibility across operators, reduce variability in experiments, and massively reduce the amount of time analyzing 2D images for host cell protein coverage can take. But we know and appreciate that some of our users still prefer the manual methods, in which case we have created the freehand tool, which should allow you to get your manual spot detection, spot editing fix, whilst also saving some time. So the freehand tool, shortcut F, allows you to draw spots, merge spots, split spots, all within one tool instead of having to use the different multiple manual tools that we've got for those functions. So if I just zoom in on an area here, and I grab my freehand tool, what I can do is I can left click and drag around. I can add a spot, and as you can see, the freehand tool intelligently joins up the edges of the spot, so I don't actually need to complete the spot. I can just get around there and my spot's done. Now, the freehand tool is intelligent in that if I want to split this spot, so there's you can kind of see two focuses on this spot that makes me think it might be two different spots. If I start my left click outside the spot and come across it, it will intelligently split that spot. If I wanted to grow this spot here to include this spot, if I start my left click within an existing spot and draw around it, you can see that it does an automatic merge. Instead of requiring the use of the split and merge tools that we've got here, you can simply use the freehand tool, come around and add your spots this way and start building up your picture, do your splits, do your merges, and come up with some really wacky shapes for your spots, all within a singular tool, all somewhat intelligent as to what we think you're trying to achieve by using the tool. So if you are dead set on using manual methods, or for example, you perform an automatic spot detection, you get your list of spots and some of them need splitting. Instead of using the splitting tool, you can use the freehand tool if that is more suited to your purpose at that point. The freehand tool is also very useful for very odd shaped spots like this and kind of different kind of shapes and things like that. And of course, it's very useful for drawing kind of multiple levels of spots if you want to have them considered to be one spot instead of multiple separate spots. So that's the freehand tool. It's multifunction, it's multi-purpose. It can allow you to do multiple different functions with the same tool and save a huge amount of time whilst also performing kind of manual quantification if that's what you prefer. As ever, thanks for watching, and if you'd be interested in a free trial of our SpotMap 2D HCP analysis software, please check out the links in the description below.